Yo! So for the past 6 months, every week we've been going for a cold dip outside. Now, yes, I've been doing cold showers as well, but there's something about being outside, reconnecting with nature, just letting everything dissolve, letting your stress dissolve, letting you dissolve into nature. The boundaries of separation become minimal, and a lot of time we've had some really good experiences where nature, i.e. the geese, the ducks, come to us, and it's very powerful experiences. So past 6 months we've been going every week, so me and a mate, apart from one week potentially, but ever since October last year, so all the way through winter, and that was our goal, all the way through winter into what is now spring. So we started doing this October time, and we're now in April. So powerful stuff. I'll cut this off and I'll see you there. Woo! Boom! Made it. So on my way now to meet Jacko, get in the water. Good way to start the week. It's Monday morning. There's no better feeling than a bit of cold exposure. Feeling good, like I should. That spring tan, when your skin matches your boxers. The old Monday morning meetings in the lake, in the office. As long as there's less than 6 of you, you're okay to meet by the lake. It's massive, isn't it?